In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font style in a ClickUp doc. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the doc that contains the text you want to update. Make sure you're inside the correct document before moving on, especially if you work with multiple docs in the same workspace. This will help you avoid changing the formatting in the wrong place. Once the document is open, look to the upper right corner of the doc. There, you'll find the three-dot menu. Click on that menu to open more options related to the document. This area includes settings that affect how the doc looks and behaves, so it's the right place to go when you want to adjust formatting at the document level. From the menu that appears, select Page Settings. This will open a panel where you can customize certain visual and layout options for the doc. If you don't immediately see everything, just take a moment to look through the available sections carefully. Next, open the Font section. This is where ClickUp lets you control the font style used in the document. Changing the font can make your doc feel more professional, more modern, or simply easier to read, depending on the style you choose. Now select the font style you want to use. As you choose a different option, pay attention to how it affects the overall appearance of your document. If you're creating internal notes, you may prefer something simple and clean. If you're preparing a polished document to share, you might want a style that feels a bit more refined. The best choice is the one that matches the purpose of the content and keeps everything readable. After you've selected the font you want, close the Page Settings menu. Your change should remain applied to the document, and you can continue editing as normal. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a noticeable difference in how your content looks and feels. And that's all it takes to change the font style in a ClickUp doc. If you're updating documents regularly, getting familiar with these settings can save time and help keep your workspace consistent. Thanks for watching.